In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FAQ page in Wix website, step by step. Let's get started inside the Wix website editor. Open the editor for your site and head to the page where you want your FAQs to live. This can be an existing page, like Support or About, or a dedicated FAQ page you've already created. Once you're in the editor, look to the left-hand toolbar and open the Add panel. If you see multiple choices appear, follow the highlighted prompts the editor presents so you're in the right spot to insert a pre-made FAQ section. From the Add options, choose the FAQ element. You'll see an option labeled something like Create Collapsible FAQs for your site visitors. Click that. Wix will place a ready-made accordion-style FAQ on your page, complete with sample questions and answers. If Wix asks you to confirm, click Add Again to place it on the canvas. Next, select the FAQ on your page and choose Manage FAQs. This opens the management panel where you'll control questions, answers, and organization. Click Add New to create a new item, then pick FAQ to add a standard question and answer entry. Now, customize the content. Click into the question field and replace the placeholder text with a real question your visitors ask, such as, "What's your return policy?" Then click into the answer area and overwrite the sample copy. For example, instead of the placeholder that mentions returns within 30 days and final sale items, write your exact policy in your own words. Keep answers clear and concise and use friendly language. If needed, you can mention key timeframes, include a brief note about exceptions, or reference a policy page URL that already exists on your site. As you edit, the live preview in the editor will update so you can see how your accordion looks when expanded and collapsed. If you have multiple FAQs to add, repeat the Add New flow and fill in each entry. You can reorder items by dragging them within the management panel to put the most common questions at the top. When you're happy with your list, click Save in the panel to store your changes. Close the panel or return to the canvas using the highlighted control the editor shows. Give your page a quick visual review to confirm spacing and style match your site's design. Finally, click Publish in the top right corner to push the updated FAQ to your live site. Remember, Save keeps changes in the editor, while Publish makes them public. That's it. Your collapsible FAQ is now active,